Have you ever thought you could design and print your ideas with the touch of a button? Imagine creating models, tools, or even spare parts at home with precision and professionalism. Welcome to the world of the future, where creativity knows no bounds. In this video, we'll take you on a quick and fun tour of the top 3 3D printers on the market today. Printers that combine speed, precision, and smart technologies, each offering something exceptional. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, this video will help you choose the printer that's best for your creativity. From multicolor printing to superior performance to a smart and seamless user experience. Get ready to discover printers that will change the way you think about digital manufacturing. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell, because there's more to come. 3. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro, a printer that combines speed, precision, and smart convenience. High performance and incredible speed. The Adventurer 5M Pro is designed to deliver an exceptional printing experience. It offers print speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per second. That's 12 times faster than most traditional FDM printers. It achieves precise and stunning print quality thanks to its Core XY design, even when printing at high speeds. All of this is done in complete silence with a noise level of less than 50 dB, ideal for office or home use. Smart ease of use. Forget manual adjustments. With the push of a button, the printer starts printing without any complicated settings. It also comes with filament runout sensor, filament tangle detection, ensuring successful printing without your intervention. The printer is fully enclosed and equipped with a dual filtration system, internal and external, which eliminates 99% of particulate matter and volatile organic gases, VOCs, protecting your health and the environment. Impressive results in record time. Thanks to a powerful printhead with a temperature of up to 280 degrees Celsius and a flow rate of up to 32 millimeters per second, the printer heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds. With advanced technologies such as smart vibration compensation, dual fans for rapid model cooling, this printer ensures flawless results such as stretching, distortion, and ghosting. Advanced features for a complete printing experience. Remote camera monitoring. Monitor your prints in real time from anywhere. Quickly removable nozzle with various diameter options: 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 millimeters to suit your precision or speed. Automatic shutoff after printing double-sided flexible plate, PEI steel plate. Easily remove models. Multiple plate options: PEI, PC, PEI coated. 4.3-inch touchscreen, easy and smooth user experience. Wide material support, PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, PC, PLACF, PETG-CF, and more. Guaranteed technical support. 2. Anycubic Kobra 3 Kit with Ace Pro module. Impressive multicolor printing. Using one Ace Pro, you can print in 4 different colors. Using 2 Ace Pro printers with an 8-color flexible filament hub, available for purchase in June, you can print up to 8 colors. To ensure optimal performance and results, we recommend reviewing the detailed specifications before purchasing. Smart Filament Bin supports automatic nozzle clogging detection to prevent tangling and overfilling. Automatic filament loading and unloading system to keep the system clean and organized. Heats up to 55 degrees Celsius to keep filaments dry in all conditions, dramatically improving print quality. Amazing print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. Print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, and acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared. Recommended speed: 300 millimeters per second, 12 times faster than most FDM printers. For example, printing a complex model like a boat takes just 11 minutes and 30 seconds. All this to save you valuable time. Smart experience with the new Anycubic app, intelligent control and real-time monitoring. In-app printing and coloring slides. remote connectivity and LAN support, and more. A fun new creative experience with Print and Play. Revolutionary printing performance. One-click vibration compensation eliminates vibration and ensures smooth printing. Precise filament extrusion control for optimal output time. Modular design and adjustable touchscreen for ease of use. Enhanced Anycubic service. Each printer undergoes rigorous testing and premium packaging before shipping. 1-year warranty. Some parts may be limited to 3 to 6 months. 24/7 technical support and support are available. We focus on your complete satisfaction with a friendly team always by your side. 1. Creality High Combo. The Creality High Combo is unlike any other printer. Thanks to the innovative CFS module, multicolor printing is easier and more beautiful than ever. You can now print visually stunning models using up to 16 different colors when using 4 CFS modules. Not only that, the CFS module offers smart features such as automatic filament switching, automatic filament selection, tight filament storage to maintain quality, easy support removal for multi-material printing. Now, say goodbye to the hassle of removing support after printing. Thanks to multi-material printing, support structures can be created from water-soluble or easily detachable materials, making cleanup simpler and faster, while leaving virtually invisible support traces on the final model. Amazing print speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second. This printer is not only smart, it's also incredibly fast. Thanks to X and Y-axis servo motors with advanced FOC algorithms, the printer achieves print speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, acceleration of up to 12,000 millimeters per second squared, all with ultra-smooth motion for professional results. Built-in RFID reader and automatic print bed calibration. With the built-in RFID feature, the printer automatically recognizes the filament type and color upon scanning, but this feature is exclusive to Creality RFID filaments. To ensure the highest accuracy, the printer comes with 2 independently motorized screws for automatic X-axis adjustment. An automatic print bed calibration system makes setup easier than ever. Nearly complete assembly and ease of use. The printer arrives 95% ready to use, saving you the hassle of installation. Here are some additional features. Smart, foldable 3.2-inch touchscreen. Quick start guide upon startup. Built-in camera for time-lapse videos and real-time print monitoring. Camera cover for privacy.